Set.
Go for it. Pan's coming off. Get all the bolts out?
I hope so.
Are you sure? You hope so. I'm gonna beat you.
You know what? After I beat you.
Ooh, daddy.
Yes, this time I got all the bolts out.
All right.
I just gotta do a little loving, like everything else.
Give her a little love.
Little McLovin.
McLovin. Don't hit me in the ding ding with that. So this video, this is the 10th video for the day. We really love Patrick.
Oh God, this thing's never been off.
Nope. Not horrible in the pan.
No, just a little sludgy.
Yeah, but that's,
like everything else has been.
That's normal for the amount of. So let's get the 2 bolts real quick for that oil pump out.
All right, hold on, me.
I will pause. Actually,
Yeah, well,
I will take a quick peek. Bottom end doesn't look. I mean, we haven't pulled anything to check bearings or anything, obviously, but nothing out of the ordinary down here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Are you bagging?
Yes.
Bagging and tagging. All right, we're pulling the oil pump off. Oh, of course, the drive shaft came out with the pump, which is okay with me. I mean, that still works. Is it covered in schmutzies? Oh, it's got a little bit of schmutzies. All right. Fun. All right, what else are we beating off, Bernsey? I think we need to get something like a 1/4 inch extension or something, and you can stick it in there, or like a skinny long punch, and try to pop that shaft out.
Right there.
All right, let me fish one out.
Smash my fingers.
I don't want you smashing my fingers.
Yeah, but your fingers are really ugly.
That's not good.
Oh, I think I missed it.
You missed the hole. You've done that before.
Yep. And she went, wrong hole! I said, nope.
It's not the wrong hole. I need a light.
Camera?
Well, I have the camera. I need the light.
Oh.
Shine it up in there, baby girl.
Trying to do something.
Who are you trying to do?
Get pliers.
What's his name? I can't see. Ah! Now I really can't see. Oh, nope. Bernsey, can I have the...
Yeah, put the camera down for 2 seconds.
Pray that's moving. There it went. There it went. There it went. There it went. Okay, that's okay.
Hold that for a second.
Yeah, that was promising.
It's coming.
It's coming.
But this is obviously...
Okay, so go get a 1/4 inch. Yeah, go get a 1/4 inch socket, because that's 1/4 inch.
Uh-huh.
And then put an extension on it and bang on it the rest of the way.
There we go.
There we go.
With your dipstick, Johnny.
I'm thinking with my dipstick. Woo! I wish it was that long. Anyway.
Right? Wish it was that easy.
I said I wish it was that long. Woo! What?
You got issues, boy.
I know. Okay, I gotta put this down again to put it back in. There. Bang it. Fucker softly. Fucker gently. Oh, there we go. There it went. Hey, there's the rest of the distributor.
Oh, all of it came out.
All right.
Nice.
Pick that up.
Why are you always
Please.
yelling at me?
Because I want you to give it a close up, Mr. DeMille. It's ready for its close up.
How's crusty?
Oh, that's cute. Wow. I've never seen one do that, but you know, never say never, I guess. All right, that's out. That's a plus.